Well, surprise, surprise, look what we discovered as we were preparing to install. Hey guys, Frankie Martinez here with How to Tile Like a Pro, and today we are working with this trendy, getting pretty popular here, hexagon stone tile with gold trim around each piece. It looks very beautiful when you put them all together. It's gonna look really nice. We already figured out all the layout, so we're gonna get some of these cut and ready to install, and I'll show you how to do it. Let's check it out. Well, surprise, surprise, look what we discovered as we were preparing to install. A lot of these gold inlay tiles are mounted crooked, which unfortunately is a little too common with sheet mounted mosaics. As you can see here, it's super tight here and way wider over there. And if I flip it over, you can see that it's glued to the backing like that. Which is why I never pre-skim coat mosaics with thinset. I've seen guys skim coat sheet mounted tile with thinset a day before installing, which only makes it harder to fix situations like this because the tiles dry crooked. I've seen so many mosaics installed crooked and the installer replies, well, they came like that. As an installer, you tell the tiles what to do. They don't tell you what to do. When installing, I can grab a knife and easily cut the mesh through the grout joints and slide them straight. I found the most productive and easiest way to remedy situations like this is to go ahead and install the area that I'm working on. Once it's installed, I can scan the area and cut off the mesh of the crooked ones. For those that are only slightly crooked, I use these thin wedges to fine tune them. This is where I put on good music, take my time, and enjoy the artistry of it, because the details truly make the difference. Since these gold tiles seem slightly thinner than the marble hexagons, and I wanted to make sure that they dried the way I fine-tuned them, I put a little bit of thinset in the grout joints and washed it back to ensure enough room for grout. It also prevented my fear of the gold pieces teeter-tottering during the grout process if they didn't dry properly. And there you have it, a beautiful piece of art. And nobody knows that most of them came crooked except for you and me. The white grout really makes that gold stand out, and I love how the light reflects the gold. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for the best tile content.